What about from a service perspective? People calling, maybe they're a fit from a company perspective, the type of company you serve, but they're looking for a different type of service. What are the service type of services that maybe people are expecting that you tell them we don't really do that here?
Well, a lot of it has to depend on their workforce. I mean, if somebody in their office is starting out as just a one-man show, I can scale for them. A lot of the times people need to offset certain work or to be able to, once again, give a certain sort of a company a chance to be able to compare apples to their metrics at home office. But we offer all different types of services. As I mentioned before, inbound and outbound support. My difference is the infrastructure. I do have redundancy in regards to our internet. We do have backup electricity with generators and also have immediate IT support. And so a lot of the people, if they're just starting out or if they have a limited budget, would be able to use us in regards to making their company grow. Now, the only difference is, and it's really not a difference now because most people are working from home, that these agents can fulfill these needs virtually. What I try to do is to extend all of my resources, my experience in regards to script writing, rebuttals, a quality assurance department. I'd like to see if we could find some consistency with the client to be able to find areas of improvement. And so a lot of it, my friend, is just an investment in a process. And sometimes the client just gives me a plug and play operation where they already have things in place, which makes it very easy for me. And then on the flip side, it is my pleasure to be able to build a custom made campaign for my clients.